May tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. Patan nyo, patan nyo. Okay, okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname? What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay, okay. Tulungan niyo, tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful, careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka na pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito lang. Clear naman na doon. Dito lang banda. Dito lang. Ha? Umakit sa kanila. Umakit ko na.
Doon, napan ko na doon.
Doon banda. Pinuntahan mo na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here? He's a what? Fling? Fling. Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Huh? His family?